subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to Mabenzo TV, Kipetwe Premiership, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Marumokala 0. I'm joined by Simon.
Hey, look over one of Gara.
Hi, Peri.
Yeah, her Perile. Hey, Sundowns, your Tamba Namusi, Javudi, Rotagara performance, Sundowns.
Yeah.
That problem, Ojaro in FNB.
Yeah.
But about one Muromo Gwenda,
yeah.
About Mwamba, whatever Jaligi, Chiefs in a Donald G, Ingas Jeligi, League to Perao. Chiefs is dead. That thing, issue, Rosa supporters, lead that to know, Kumbaya Benamuno, Dugarechana, Romara Chiefs, you're the fair. So this one, you may practice for Sunday. Look at some masterpieces. Masandawana, Aragan Chikiti, Rolibella M108, because this one, this season, M108 belongs to Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yeah, exactly.
Boma Dubula Bemenya.
Yeah, Mazule.
Boma Dubula Bargman, Halala, Abemenyana, Sundowns. This season, he win an M108. So to Masandawana, we players or no, guys, let's go and buy tickets.
Yeah.
Ribonsori were the African champions and fill up Lucas Muripe Stadium because we are capable of playing that thing. So Masandawana Ari Stadium, remember the branching,
Thank you, my leadership.
Dango.
Thank you, my leadership. Simon, well said. Thank you, Simon.